Before I explain, clarify the event of Karbala. Didn't start when the Imam left Medina. The roots trace to the planning at Saqifa, after the Prophet's passing, when Ali was denied his rights. Karbala began with Ali's 25 years of silence and usurped rights. Karbala started with the burning of the door of Fatima. It was linked to the martyrdom of Lady Sayyida. Siffin, Jamal, and Nahrawan are part of Karbala. Forcing Ali into authority is part of this narrative. This was the background. And when Karbala unfolded, it encompassed Siffin, included Jamal and Imam Hussein, peace be upon him, redirected focus from Saqifa back to Ali ibn Abi Talib. The beginning of Karbala was marked by burning Fatima and Lady Sayyida's martyrdom. The events of Siffin are part of Karbala, as the events of Jamal and the Battle of Nahrawan. Ali's forced authority is part of this narrative. This was the background. And Imam Hussein, peace be upon him, redirected focus from Saqifa to Ali ibn Abi Talib. In this Karbala, Siffin was also saved, and Jamal was also saved. Imam Hussein, peace be upon him, redirected the community's attention from Saqifa back towards Ali ibn Abi Talib.